Hi everyone, Skip here. Take a journey with me as I explore all 64 of Wisconsin's state parks and post short, informative, inspirational videos on this channel. Tune in and plan your day hike. Here it is, the cleanest fish cleaning station in the state of Wisconsin, thanks to Bob. Yeah, so we just got kind of clay path here. In the wet season, I can imagine this would be a little bit muddy, but today, no problem. It is a little bit buggy. Yeah, I imagine that's pretty common around here. They did have a very cool restored, I don't know if it's restored, but it's nice prairie on the way in. Very savanna, oak savanna they call it. And it is lush with life. Probably a lot of birds out there. So. So bad.
We can go back.
I think we should. Yeah. More berries. Oh, yeah. Oh. Alright. Okay. Let's, we're making a turn off of the main path and coming up to the Panther Mound. The feature mound of the entire thing. There it is, a sign telling us the way. We went back and got some bug spray because this just wasn't gonna happen if we didn't. I bet, I don't know how, I probably got at least a half dozen bites before we returned back. How about you?
I know I got one nasty one on my leg.
Oh, I see it. It's on your left leg. Yeah. On the back of your knee. Those are the worst. Yeah, off to the left they have these houses here. So you can't really see the lake. At least from this trail. Oh, and here it is. Here's the Panther Mound. There's a plaque that talks about it. And we've seen that before, like in Lizard Mound State Park. Wyalusing has a lot of this. A bunch of them do. I'm forgetting all of them, but yeah, out here, I'll just take a still shot. We've got this is a leg. I think this is a leg, and I think that's the head up there. And then the body coming down here. Oh, look, this thing's really long.
Yeah.
Maybe this is a second leg right here, and then the tail goes out that way. Oh, even with our magic spray, this is still a challenge. Okay, let's do a walking shot here. It's coming along the body of the panther. Wow, this thing is huge. Yeah, I'll put together a playlist of state parks that feature effigy mounds, because I've come to discover there are several of them, and it's kind of neat. There was a national park somewhere, I think it's a national park or a national, maybe a historic monument, that I came across a while ago. Here's another plaque talking about this stuff.
Wait, so they like made these?
Yeah, they're no, they're old. They're, you know, they're nobody recently was making the mounds, I don't think. But so they don't know exactly what the purpose was. But they, some of them are burial mounds, or there are remains that are buried there. But a lot of them have stuff like beads or jewelry or other kinds of artifacts.
Yeah.
And so they think it probably had ceremonial significance too. Maybe offerings to the gods or the spirits of nature. I know at Lizard Mound they were talking about how they're the woodland peoples. Those were the ones who made these, and they were talking about how they thought that they believed that there was like these different aspects of the universe. There was water, like water, earth, fire, and sky, or something like that. And they felt that the mounds in some way were a way of connecting with those different layers of the universe. It's a kayak rental here, it looks like. That's pretty fun. Got a map of the lake. Bag limit. 10 panfish per day. Oh, that's a nice topographic map. I think 3 in total.
Perch is a panfish?
I guess so. Seems like it's kind of like an in-between.
Yeah, right?
It's not exactly a walleye. It's not really a panfish either. Oh, wow. Look at that. You can see the Capitol over there. See the campus, see all the cranes. They are building so much on campus. This is kind of nice.
Yeah.
Nice little getaway here. Got some swimming buoys. Little fishing pier over there.